you haven't been out to the Phoenix office in a while, or ever, here's a quick look at what's new in our panel shop. We cleared out a cluttered section of the warehouse and turned it into a dedicated fabrication department. That means more space in the shop, plus a smoother fab process. One person can handle cutting and assembling panels before techs wire them up. We also added a wire processing machine that measures, cuts, and pre-strips wires to spec, key for high-volume jobs. Combine that with our updated point-to-point lists, complete with pictures, and it's a great tool for training newer techs and keeping builds consistent. Another upgrade, our blue lifting cart. It's been a game changer for both safety and efficiency. During quality control, techs often need to lift panels on and off the benches. Now the cart does the heavy lifting. It's also made MET station assembly way easier. Those larger enclosures used to be a two-person job to mount on the mast, but now one person can handle it solo using the lift cart. Less back strain, fewer risks, and a smoother workflow all around. And finally, a new benchtop A-frame lets us work on twice as many panels at once, allowing for a tech on each side. The Vertec panel shop is getting faster, safer, and more efficient every day.